The revised gross domestic product jumped 2.52% in the third quarter. This beats economists' predictions of 5%.
Well, joining me now here in Studio 57 is Javier David. He's a CBS News contributor and a managing editor of business and markets at Axios. Thanks for joining us, Javier. So I know you sat down and I said, I don't even know what's going on with GDP. But you said, don't worry, I do. So tell me, what do the numbers look like? What do they mean?
Strong number, better than expected. We were all sort of surprised when this number first came in, but now this number is even better. The big story here is businesses are spending more. And so is the government. And so like I like to always remind people, government spending is inflationary. When you hear talk about budgets and fights in Congress and stuff like this is the reason why. This is a big part of the story behind why we've had these price pressures, inflation. This is the, government spending is inflationary.
So you mentioned sort of mild surprise when the numbers came out. Why is that?
Well, we've been all sort of bracing ourselves for a recession. And like we're heading toward 2024 and it looks like we're out of the woods, at least for the moment. And even the Fed is starting to say, well, they're seeing the sort of the whites of the eyes of the soft landing. And what that means is what markets are at least bracing themselves for. Stocks are up, the dollar's down, yields are falling. That kind of tells you everything you need to know. The markets are once again pricing in this benign sort of scenario in which the Fed pivots. We may see a rate cut sometime in 2024. I wouldn't hold my breath. But yeah, now we're finally sort of talking about an easing of policy as opposed to tightening.
So that's what I was going to ask you about, because it looks like the Fed's increase in interest rates, as much as people were sort of biting their nails, it seems to be working.
Yes.
And so then what does that mean? What will the Fed be looking for sort of moving forward to determine whether or not we are ready for a cut or whether we just sort of keep things where they are?
Well, interestingly, part of the GDP story was consumer spending advanced at a less sort of tame rate, better than expected. The other thing is services. That has been a really big driver of inflation. That's also finally starting to normalize. Finally.
Yeah. Okay. Because that was a big deal. And I always use this sort of hairdresser analogy,
and haircuts, because they're expensive too. Yeah.
I'm sure you know all about it, Javier. But yeah, if you're willing to spend, I don't know, 60, 70 bucks when you go to the hairdresser, then he or she's gonna charge you that.
Indeed.
But if you're willing to spend a little bit less, then we'll see that come down. And so maybe people are holding off. All right, but here's the big question. After this holiday weekend, where does consumer spending stand? And I wonder I know this stuff is all kind of like baked in, but we are entering into a season where people will be spending money. Could that have an impact?
That is very much already having an impact because Cyber Week, or whatever you want to call it, so it's sort of Black Friday is dead. Long live Black Friday. On the one hand, there are these widespread anecdotes that suggest that all the pandemonium that we used to see in store, people stepping all over themselves to get to the TV
that
and
was
the
so
toaster.
Much fun.
Yeah, it was kind of fun. But that's on the decline. But what people are now doing is they are spending hand over fist online, on tablets, on phones, whatever. Online spending from 5 days from Thanksgiving to Cyber Monday, read this, up nearly 8% year over year, $38 billion alone. Another part of this story is, remember buy now, pay later? People are like doing sort of the layaway plan. That is actually taking a bigger slice of the pie. It was almost $1 billion people used to do buy now, pay later.
Interesting. Yeah, it makes it really easy. That and subscriptions. And I totally want to talk about subscriptions because it's an easy way to sort of just chip away at your budget. That's all really interesting stuff. Javier David, thank you very much.
Please, always a pleasure.